Hi guys, it's Rachel with WTI, and I want to talk about this amazing under the eye skin perfector. So this has hyaluronic acid in it for moisturizing. It has vitamin C and it comes in 3 different shades, which is amazing. This one here is medium and the texture is so nice and smooth and moisturizing, but it stays on your skin all day. I've never had a problem. It hides your dark circles, it hydrates your skin, it perfects under the eye of your skin as well all day, which is one of the bonus things. It is also vegan. The thing I like is, so you do all your face washing and everything that you got to do, put it on with either your pinky, I dab it and then I kind of blend it in with a brush. Then you're going to put your foundation, your concealer, whatever you do to do your face with your makeup, however you wear it. It is perfect. And you do it any way you want with a color that works for you, and it is going to take care of your skin under your eyes, but also make it look beautiful as well. I absolutely love that this works all day. I love that it is taking care of my skin, and the fact that it has vitamin C is brightening. It is really good for your skin, which I love. It's great for sensitive skin as well. Just in case you want to know, especially under the eye, it's very sensitive. So this is one of the things I absolutely love to use, but that's just my point of view.